Hello friends, I would like to share my views on Kleenex Everyday Facial Tissue. As you can see, the tissue has Sneeze Shield. It is an improved version of Kleenex Everyday Tissue and are 15% thicker and more absorbent. It makes sure to keep your hand and face clean and dry, keep you germs free. Um, it has easy to open box, you can see, and comes with 184 two-ply tissue in each box. The box size is also perfect to kept in the car. That's a perfect thing. Overall, a perfect product from Kleenex for your everyday use. It's a high quality tissue at a decent price compared to other brands in the market, and offers good value for your money. I definitely recommend it to you. Give it a try and you will not be disappointed. Thank you.